Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide the live chat over on a TikTok live stream. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So right here I have this ASMR live stream, however I just keep on getting distracted by that live chat. Well, in this video and here is how you can actually hide that live chat, because it's really easy. So the first thing you need to do is actually open that live stream like this. And yes guys, I'm sorry for the background noise, however we can't mute that. Then in order to actually hide the chat, all I need to do is hold down my screen like I'm doing right now till this pops up. And then I just need to click on clear display, and then the entire live chat is gone, as you guys can see, and you will be able to view a TikTok live stream much better. To get it back, all you need to do is click on the bottom left corner of the screen at the chat and it will be back again. So that's how you can hide the chat on a TikTok live stream. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.